Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling to control your shots in pickleball, especially when the ball keeps popping too far or your dinks feel inconsistent? Or maybe you've tried paddles that are either too slow for power shots or too stiff for control? If that sounds familiar, the problem usually isn't your skill, it's your paddle. This is the Selkirk Sport SLK Evo Pickleball Paddle, XL Elongated, a next-gen paddle designed to balance power, control, and spin at an affordable price point. G8 Power Carbon Fiber Face gives you a strong mix of pop for drives while still maintaining soft touch for dinks and drops. SpinFlex Plus Surface Technology helps generate more spin on serves, slices, and aggressive topspin shots, making your ball harder to read. Elongated XL Shape extends reach for better court coverage and stronger two-handed backhands. Polymer Core Construction softens impact and improves control, especially during fast kitchen exchanges. Lightweight, 8.1 ounces. Easier maneuverability at the net without sacrificing stability on drives. Pros: great balance of power and control for the price. Strong spin potential for intermediate playstyle. Lightweight and easy to handle at the net. Elongated shape improves reach and defense. Cons: not as premium or explosive as high-end pro paddles. Beginners may need time to adjust to elongated shape. Slightly less forgiving on off-center hits compared to thicker core paddles. This paddle is best for beginners moving into intermediate level, players who want more spin and reach, all-court players who mix dinks plus drives, anyone upgrading from a basic starter paddle without spending $150 plus. At around $79.99, this paddle sits in the budget to mid-range sweet spot. For the performance, carbon fiber face, spin tech, and elongated reach, it offers solid value for recreational and improving players. Number 4. This is the Proto Pickleball Paddle by Enigma Pickleball, a thermoformed raw carbon fiber paddle built for players who want pro-level spin, power, and control in one modern design. Thermoformed construction. A solid one-piece build that increases stability, power transfer, and overall durability compared to traditional paddles. Raw carbon fiber face gives a textured surface for maximum spin potential, helping you shape shots like slices, topspin drives, and controlled drops. 16mm honeycomb polymer core adds softness and control while absorbing vibration, making fast kitchen exchanges more stable and forgiving. Balanced power plus control design. Not just a power paddle, it's tuned to give you both explosive drives and soft touch near the net. USA Pickleball approved. Fully legal for tournament play, so you can use it in competitive matches without issues. Lightweight performance, 243G class. Fast hand speed at the net with enough stability for aggressive baseline play. Pros: excellent spin due to raw carbon surface. Thermoformed build adds power and stability. Great control for dinks and resets, 16mm core helps a lot. Tournament approved and competition ready. Cons: slightly higher price for beginners. Raw carbon surface may wear over time with heavy use. Not the most forgiving for complete beginners missing the sweet spot. This paddle is best for intermediate to advanced players. Players who rely on spin-heavy gameplay. All-court competitors who switch between power and control. Anyone upgrading from beginner paddles to a more pro-style setup. At around $129.99, this sits in the serious performance category. You're paying for thermoformed construction plus raw carbon spin technology, making it strong value for competitive players who want an edge. Number 3. This is the Selkirk SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle, XL Elongated, a modern performance paddle designed with raw carbon options for power, spin, and control at an affordable price. Raw carbon fiber face options, T700/18K/aramid link weave. Gives players different playstyles. T700 equals more power and pop. 18K Ultra Weave equals balanced control and touch. Aramid Link Weave equals soft feel with stability. Elongated XL shape. Extends reach for better court coverage and stronger backhand leverage. Thermoformed construction, pro-level build. Improves paddle stiffness, stability, and energy transfer for stronger shots. Polymer core for control and touch. Helps soften impact for better resets, dinks, and kitchen play. Lightweight, 8 Oz. Fast hand speed at the net while still stable on drives and blocks. USA-style performance design. Built for competitive style play, not just casual recreation. Pros. Multiple face options for different playstyles. Strong spin potential from raw carbon surface. Thermoformed build adds stability and power. Great reach with elongated design. Very competitive performance for the price. Cons. Can feel slightly stiff depending on version. Elongated shape takes adjustment for beginners. Not as forgiving as thicker, softer beginner paddles. This paddle is best for beginners moving into intermediate competitive play. Players who want custom feel, power versus control versus spin. Doubles players who need reach plus quick net hands. Anyone upgrading to a more pro-style carbon fiber paddle without spending premium flagship prices. At around $78.99, this is surprisingly affordable for a raw carbon, thermoform style paddle. You're getting premium feel technology at a budget-friendly price, making it one of the best entry points into performance carbon paddles. Number 2. This is the MTEN Pickleball Paddle Set, 2-pack, USAPA approved, a beginner-friendly fiberglass paddle set designed for easy control, comfort, and affordable entry into pickleball. Fiberglass surface face. Provides a soft, forgiving feel that helps beginners control shots more easily and reduce mishits. Polypropylene honeycomb core. Absorbs impact and vibration, giving a smoother feel during rallies and reducing strain on the arm. USAPA approved design. Legal for recreational and tournament play, so you can use it anywhere. Lightweight build, beginner-friendly balance. Easy to swing, making it ideal for learning proper technique and improving reaction time. Wide paddle face, 15.67 inches by 7.8 inches. Larger sweet spot helps beginners make more consistent contact with the ball. Set option, 2 or 4 paddles. Great for families, friends, or casual group play without buying extra gear. Pros. Very affordable entry-level set. Large sweet spot equals easier for beginners. Comfortable grip and vibration control. Comes as a full set, good for group play. USAPA approved. Cons. Not designed for advanced spin or power play. Fiberglass surface has less spin than carbon fiber paddles. Durability is basic compared to premium paddles. This set is best for complete beginners learning pickleball. Families or friends who want a ready-to-play set. Casual recreational players. Anyone testing the sport before upgrading to carbon fiber paddles. At around $34.29, this is one of the most budget-friendly pickleball sets available. You're getting multiple paddles plus USAPA approval, making it excellent value for entry-level and casual play, but not for serious competitive performance. Number 1. This is the Joola Ben John's Hyperion CFS Pickleball Paddle, a high-performance carbon surface paddle designed for elite spin, control, and pro-level consistency, used in collaboration with top pro Ben John's. Carbon Friction Surface, CFS. High-grit texture that generates elite spin levels, making serves, topspin drives, and slices much more aggressive and controlled. 16 mm thick core. Adds stability, better touch, and softer control for dinks, drops, and resets at the kitchen line. Elongated shape plus extended handle. Improves reach and allows two-handed backhands, giving better court coverage and shot versatility. Thermoform-style power construction feel. Enhances energy transfer for stronger drives without losing too much control. USAPA approved. Fully legal for tournament and competitive play. Balanced 8.4 ounce weight. Stable enough for power, but still quick at the net. Pros. Exceptional spin performance, one of its biggest strengths. Great blend of power plus control for competitive play. Stable 16mm core improves consistency. Excellent for advanced shot shaping. Trusted pro-level design, Ben Johns series. Cons. Premium price compared to beginner paddles. Slight learning curve for new players. Can feel a bit head-heavy for some users. This paddle is best for intermediate to advanced players. Competitive tournament players. Players who rely heavily on spin and placement. Anyone upgrading to a pro-level paddle for serious improvement. At around $159.95, this is a premium performance paddle. You're paying for elite spin technology, pro-level design, and competitive consistency, making it strong value for serious players, but not ideal for beginners. If you want a paddle that delivers pro-level spin and control like Ben Johns, check the link in the description. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more pickleball gear breakdowns and reviews.